Good day, I'm Adele de Toy and I'm the Marketing Manager at Annique Health and Beauty. Dry and dehydrated skin is very prevalent in Southern Africa, and this skin type can be worsened by exposure to air conditioners and heaters, and also by the environment like the sun and the wind. Lucid contains the active ingredient Aqua Vital that creates a moisture reservoir in the skin. There's 5 products in this amazing skincare range, and the one I really love the most and I use every day is the moisturizer for dry skin. This is one of Annique's top-selling skincare products and has been for many decades. So if you have a really dry, dehydrated and irritated skin, this is the one for you. There's another moisturizer in the range, and that is the Hydrating Moisture Lotion. So it's a much lighter formula. If you have a dry skin and you tend to be a little bit younger, that would be the moisturizer that you would choose. But of course, you'd start your skincare routine with a cleanser. So we have the Calming Cleansing Cream, very nice to use. And at Annique, you know, we do things a little bit differently. We only cleanse once a day, and that's at night. And the reason why we do this is we don't want to disturb the skin's very delicate pH balance, very critical when you have a dry and dehydrated skin type. The third step in your skincare routine is a night cream. So at night, the body goes into repair mode. So then it helps to relieve the stresses of the day. It repairs tissues that might have been damaged through the day, and hence the term beauty sleep. So you need a specific skincare product to take care of your beauty sleep needs, and that's where night cream comes in. So you'll use the night cream, which is the optimal night renewal, and remember to use this night cream together with your moisturizer, and that will bring you optimal benefits. The last step in your skincare routine is the freshener. So the Lucid freshener is really an excellent antioxidant freshener. It contains Aqua Vital, Rooibos extract like the rest of the range, and that is what Annique is really renowned for, and also Inca seed omega oil, potent antioxidants, and it really finishes off your skincare routine. So if you're challenged with a dry and dehydrated skin, Annique has the answer. Lucid, maximum hydration.